Ravi and Sumit were arguing over the rate of premium of health insurance policies. Ravi says Sumit should consider him as his guru. To which Sumit asks Ravi why. What has he done? Ravi goes on and says, according to Sumit, that there are no good health insurance policies for 5 lakh rupees with premium under 20,000 rupees. To counter Ravi, Sumit says he still holds the view. But I have a health policy of 5 lakh rupees for 16,000 rupees premium, says Ravi. He talked to the insurance company and said he won't pay 20,000 rupees. He would only buy the plan if they reduce the premium. The insurer reduced the premium and sold the policy. Sumit was surprised. He asked Ravi how did he manage to negotiate the premium. But then Sumit says that Ravi just bought the policy because of low premium without understanding its features. Ravi proudly says Sumit should not change the subject and accept him as a guru. Finally, Sumit agreed to accept Ravi as his guru, but asks him to explain what were the features of the policy that he had bought. To which Ravi says, even if there are no features, what was the problem? He saves some money. He would inquire about the features later on. Sumit says Ravi was making a big mistake. He advises Ravi to not compromise on features or it might cost him heavily later on. Ravi has purchased health insurance just like one buys vegetables. It's like instead of paying 20 rupees for onions, he should buy it for 16 rupees and get free coriander. He purchased the insurance by bargaining the premium without understanding its features. If he is asked how much hospitalization expenses is covered under his policy or how much expenses are covered for treatment at home, he wouldn't have answers to these questions. Ravi paid 16,000 rupees for a policy worth 5 lakh rupees. He bought at a discount of 4,000 rupees. However, this saving could cost Ravi heavily in the future.
इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी खरीदी, प्रीमियम सस्ता था 4-5 हज़ार रुपए से, और मान लीजिए आपको अच्छा लगा कि मैंने सस्ता हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस खरीदा, लेकिन आपने देखा है कि इसमें हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस में जो फीचर्स आपको मिले हैं उस पॉलिसी के अंडर वो सही है या नहीं है? क्या उसमें सारी चीजें कवर्ड है जो नॉर्मल इंश्योरेंस में कवर्ड होती है? ये जरूरी है आपको समझना। प्रीमियम सस्ता करने के लिए डिडक्टेबल चूज किया है, तो उसमें आपको फ्यूचर में क्लेम जब भी आए तो आपको दिक्कत हो सकती है। क्या मतलब है इसका कि 5,000 रुपीज आपने 20,000 रुपीज एग्जाम्पल आपने डिडक्टेबल लिया है, 30,000 का क्लेम आया तो पहला 20,000 आपको अपने जेब से देना है। तो इसका मतलब ये है कि 30,000 क्लेम में आपको 20,000 अपने जेब से देना, क्योंकि आपने प्रीमियम सस्ता करने के लिए 20,000 का डिडक्टेबल चूज किया था।
Let's understand what features should be included in Ravi's health insurance plan. First comes the plan without room rent limit. Room rent is a big expense in case of hospitalization. In Ravi's health plan, room rent is insured at 1%. If admitted to hospital, Ravi can get a room of up to 5,000 rupees. But if the room rent is more, or if he needs to be admitted in ICU, where room rent can go up to 25,000 rupees per day, then Ravi will only get the claim of 5,000 rupees on per day basis. Therefore, while choosing a health policy, one should choose a plan that does not put any limit on room rent and ICU expenses. Then comes pre- and post-hospitalization expenses. In Ravi's insurance plan, in addition to hospital admission expenses, there should be a provision for pre- and post-hospitalization expenses. This means it should have a pre- and post-hospitalization coverage. Often, treatment continues at home after being discharged from the hospital. To make the health plan affordable, these expenses are not included in the entry-level basic insurance plan. Then comes your daycare treatment. Include the option of daycare treatment in the health policy. The cost of treatment in case of hospitalization for less than 24 hours is covered here. The admission for less than 24 hours is required for small operation procedures such as cataract and removal of cyst. Up next is the restoration feature. Ravi has a health cover of 5 lakh rupees. But what if he incurs higher expense of up to 8 lakh rupees? Insurance companies provide a restoration benefit which comes handy in such situations. The restoration feature will help increase the coverage of the health plan. If 5 lakh rupees coverage is fully exploited, then insurance company will again provide fresh coverage of 5 lakh rupees. This is known as restoring the covering amount. Most companies offer the restoration feature 3 times a year. This means Ravi can increase his coverage 3 times or up to a maximum of 15 lakh rupees. However, for this feature, Ravi will have to make extra payment of 10 to 20,000 rupees. Then lastly comes your cashless hospital network. In pursuit of a cheap insurance, Ravi has made a compromise in the case of hospital network of the plan. He chose a company that charges less premium and has a small network of hospitals. Ravi should see if the good hospitals in his city are listed in the network hospitals of his plan or not. Getting treatment in hospitals that doesn't come under plan's network means paying the bill from his own pocket. Later on, he can approach the TPA for reimbursement of the bill. It cannot be said how much and when the claim will be reimbursed. Now, just to save money, Ravi is buying a basic plan. The premium will be cheaper, but features will be fewer. Now, what should Ravi do? If it's been less than 15 days since he has purchased the policy, he can return it. Policyholders are given a 15-day free look-in period during which the policyholder can return it. If there is not enough time left to return it, then he should continue with the policy until renewal. During renewal, he should review it and increase the coverage with extra payment. If the insurer doesn't offer the features that he needs, then Ravi can port his policy to another company.